Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? It's a natural human feeling. We see the moon, a few bright planets, a spray of countless stars. It all looks so close, like you could almost reach out and touch it. But the reality is far more staggering. The universe isn't just big, it's mind-bendingly, incomprehensibly vast, and most of it is empty. The distances between these celestial objects are so immense that our brains aren't really built to grasp them. The distance is about 239,000 miles or 384,000 kilometers. Imagine you could drive a car to the moon, going at a steady highway speed of 60 miles per hour. It would take you about 166 days to get there. Another way to think about it, you could fit all the other planets in our solar system in the space between the Earth and the moon. Now, what about the sun? It's about 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers away. Every time you step outside and feel the sun on your face, remember you are feeling energy from a nuclear furnace 93 million miles away. A journey light took more than 8 minutes to complete. Okay, so we have our new ruler, the astronomical unit, or AU. 1 AU is the distance from Earth to the sun. Let's use it to walk around the solar system. The planet Neptune, the farthest official planet from the sun, orbits at an average distance of about 30 AU. Light from the sun takes over 4 hours to reach Neptune. Imagine sending a text message to a friend on Neptune. You'd have to wait over 8 hours for a reply. It's not exactly a real-time conversation. If you shrink the sun down to the size of a standard basketball, sun equals basketball on the goal line. Earth equals a tiny peppercorn about 85 feet away, around the 28-yard line. Jupiter equals a grape, sitting about 450 feet away, well past the other end of the field. Neptune equals a small coffee bean located over half a mile away from our basketball sun. Think about the space probes we've sent out, like Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, it's one of the fastest objects ever created by humanity. As of late 2025, it has been traveling for nearly 50 years. It's currently about 165 AU away from us. After half a century at speeds over 38,000 miles per hour, our fastest emissary has only just dipped its toes into the ocean of space that lies between the stars. So our solar system is huge and mostly empty. But what happens when we want to visit our next-door neighbor, the nearest star? The next star system over is Alpha Centauri, which includes a star called Proxima Centauri. It's about 4.24 light-years away. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, almost 6 trillion miles, 9.5 trillion kilometers. Our brains just short-circuit trying to process a number that big. Let's go back to our basketball model. Earth is a peppercorn 85 feet away. On this same scale, where would Proxima Centauri be? No. The nearest star, another basketball, would be in another city, about 4,700 miles. Our fastest probe, Voyager 1, is leaving the sun but not toward Proxima. Even if it were, it would take about 75,000 years. Human civilization, about 6,000 years. More than 10 times recorded human history. When we look at Proxima Centauri, we see it as it was 4.24 years ago. Looking at stars is looking into the past. Our sun is just one of at least 100 billion stars in our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Our galaxy is a gigantic spinning disk of stars, gas, and dust. It's about 100,000 light-years across. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years just to fly from one side of our galaxy to the other. What about the next galaxy? The nearest major galaxy to our own is the Andromeda Galaxy. How far away is it? It's about 2.5 million light-years from Earth. The light that is hitting your eyes from the Andromeda Galaxy tonight started its journey 2.5 million years ago. At that time, our early human ancestors, like Homo habilis, were just beginning to walk the plains of Africa. Shrink our entire Milky Way galaxy down to the size of a dinner plate. On this scale, where would the Andromeda Galaxy dinner plate be? It would be about 20 feet away. Now consider this. Our universe contains an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. Imagine 2 trillion dinner plates, scattered throughout a volume larger than the entire Earth. So, what does all this mean for us? Tiny beings, on a small rock orbiting an average star? It can be humbling, even a little terrifying. But I think it's also empowering. In all this crushing emptiness, we have this one beautiful, vibrant oasis of life. And the quest to understand that universe, to reach out across those voids with our minds and our telescopes, is perhaps the noblest journey of all. Keep looking up.